So here we have the Hyundai Ioniq on a 67 plate. So I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the right hand side we have the battery charge level. Moving left from there we have the trip computer, which includes the fuel gauge. You can also see the total miles there, 23,326. We have the speedometer, the fuel gauge, and then over on the left hand side you will have a gauge that will let you know whether you are currently charging the hybrid battery, driving eco mode, or using the power band for the car. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the right hand side we have controls to change the trip computer information. We've also got cruise control over there as well. Once you set cruise control, you can hit this button. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, by speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front's speed. Over on the left hand side we then have phone and stereo controls, and in the centre the stereo itself. So we're on the radio menu at the moment. As you can see, we have FM, AM and DAB radio. If you want to listen to your own music, hit the media button. Nothing is connected at the moment. You can connect up an auxiliary device, a USB device. You can also stream your music wirelessly, should you wish to do that, via Bluetooth audio as well. So plenty of ways in which you can listen to your music in this car. And then down the bottom here we've also got the ability to skip tracks, pair our phone, etc. And we have a settings menu just there. Beneath that we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. And when you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning on. Same button to turn it off again, or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperatures you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed for you and the direction of the air. Any manual adjustment will override that straight away. Below that, we have two 12-volt charging sockets, your auxiliary and USB inputs, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. If I pop the car into reverse, you'll also see a full colour reversing camera to go along with the parking sensors. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.